Lily loved exploring. One sunny morning, she skipped down a quiet village lane, her eyes always searching for something interesting. Suddenly, something shiny caught her eye. "Ooh, what's this?" she wondered, bending down to pick it up. It was a beautiful golden coin. It gleamed brightly in her hand. Lily had never seen such a special coin before. She imagined all the wonderful things she could buy with it. A new toy, a sweet treat, or maybe even a colorful book. Just then, she saw an old man nearby. He had a worried look on his face and was looking carefully at the ground. He was walking slowly, his eyes scanning every crack in the pavement. He looked very sad. Lily watched him for a moment. Then she heard him sigh. "Oh dear, where could it be? My lucky coin." A little thought popped into Lily's head. Could this be his coin asterisk? She looked at her shiny coin again, then at the sad old man. Her heart felt a little tug. Taking a deep breath, Lily walked over to him. "Excuse me, sir," she asked softly. The old man looked up, surprised. "Yes, little one," he replied, still looking a bit worried. Lily held out the golden coin. "Is this yours?" "I found it here," she said, a little shyly. The old man's eyes widened. A big, joyful smile spread across his face. "My lucky coin. Oh, thank you. Thank you, dear girl." He thanked her again and again, his smile making his whole face glow. Lily felt a warm, happy feeling deep inside her. His grateful smile made her feel richer than any coin ever could. She knew that doing the right thing brings the best joy of all.